Good evening everyone. How are you all today? How was your day going so far today? Anyway, before I going to sleep, I just want to ask how are you all today? I hope everyone is okay, no sickness, always strong and healthy. Anyway, I'm going to sleep. I just want to talk to you for a while because how many days I won't be able to do this. Anyway, can you please pray for me because I need to go out tomorrow. I need to do important things. I hope what I can do tomorrow I have a good news afterward for about my career. Anyway, I feel that I'm looking for something that I cannot find it here in UAE anymore. I think I can find that in the other place. This feeling is like when I was still in the Philippines before. I feel that I'm looking for something that I cannot find it in the Philippines. And I was in the Philippines working in Manila. Anyway guys, before going to sleep, I just want to say have a good night's sleep everyone and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Please pray for me. Good night everyone. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow.